Little nigga key in his hoe got with my nigga Baby Joe, nigga. Hey, nigga. Grapes, nigga, to help bust down. Niggas finna keep me up.
Seatbelt on, nigga.
Nigga, that's you dickhead. Niggas be chatting, but niggas think I be lying.
Finna head to the H-Town. Keelan went the wrong way, bro. This nigga, the map clearly said to go one way. He chose to go the other way. No, bro. The map literally said go this way. He chose to go the other way. It never said to go the other way.
The map lies.
Now we're on this bridge for no reason because he doesn't know where he's going. He doesn't know how to drive. Now we're caught in traffic, bro.
I really could bust this one right here. No,
you're not gonna do it though. Oh shit.
Hello.
Y'all went inside? Y'all went inside? Y'all can get to the answer or something?
Oh, okay.
Shit, I don't know what he just said.
Place a mobile order.
Damn.
Somebody must have got their ass.
Why are they staring at us? Like, what did we order food? They niggas looking at us like we fucking came to the wrong place. Goof ass nigga, stupid ass nigga, open the door. Goof ass nigga.
You have 2 mobile orders?
Okay, so that's drive through. All that's drive through.
Ain't no fucking nah, bro. Little chopper. Niggas finna do some deep sea diving. Are we in the sea or are we in the lake? Are we in the sea or are we in the lake? No snow shit.
2 niggas that ain't get the dress code.
You see me in a white.
Niggas that ain't get the dress code.
It's my birthday! Big 21 on the dumbest dizzies. You know, we out here on a boat, on a yacht, shaking whatever, drinking whatever. You know, it's gonna be a good time, so stay tuned.
It's C. Peggy's birthday too. Nigga, what?
Birthday!
Nigga, what? Birthday bender, nigga. We lit 3 days, you already know.
Hey, why she say yacht though? This ain't no yacht. What's your craziest college experience?
Just know these hoes be on go. That's all I can say.
What's your craziest college story?
A party I went to, y'all. I got too drunk and I fought everybody. Everybody was letting me in the morning.
You fought your friends?
My friends, I fought them.
How much?
You got $100.
I'm glad 100 for any nigga that jumped that bitch.
Wait, hold on.
You not jumping that bitch.
100 though? That's $100.
Bruh. Wings and waffle game. Wings and waffle game.
Wings and waffles, nigga, for the win.
Tripping. These pancakes are low-key too big. And to think that I tried to get extra pancakes, nigga.
Yup.